Why your shoulder isn't healing and what to do about it. Frozen shoulder, rotator cuff pain. If your shoulder hasn't improved with rest or basic physio, it's time for a deeper approach. You can't lift your arm, putting on a shirt hurts. You have tried heat, painkillers, and YouTube stretches, but nothing changing. I am Pankaj Mudgal, and I specialize in chronic shoulder pain rehab, combining dry needling, manual therapy, and functional strengthening. Treatment and exercises. We start by releasing tight muscles, example infraspinatus, upper traps, then rebuild movement, pendulum exercises, sleeper stretches, isometric external rotation holds, wall walks and theraband strengthening, postural correction to reduce load. A desk worker had 6 months of shoulder pain. After releasing trigger points and rebuilding control, she regained full motion and went back to yoga. Can frozen shoulder be reversed? Yes, with consistent targeted physiotherapy. The key is not giving up too early. Let's unfreeze that shoulder and bring back full function. Book your shoulder rehab today.